Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. In this video, I want to talk about a smart money reversal trading model. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, we're gonna use the smart money concept terminology like HTF, SMR, breaker, break of structure, BOS, and all of this stuff. But guys, you have to know it's just a name dropping from smart money concept terminology. You can name just up to you all these things. The main logic you have to understand what you mark on a chart. The terminology, what people use from smart money concept is just a basic terminology. The logic didn't change because on the candles, everything looks absolutely the same. And even if you call the breaker, not a breaker, but helicopter, and you will understand what the helicopter mean, personally for you, you can trade it. You can understand it. Right? Because a lot of people make a lot of videos, a lot of courses and change the terminology. So their courses looks more attractive, more professional. But guys, the charts is just a simple charts and the name dropping didn't change the logic. Anyway, in this video, I will explain you with the smart money concept terminology. So it will be maybe more easy to understand and remember it. Take a look. We have to pay attention on the left side on higher time frame point of interest. It can be HTF POI, previous day high, previous week high, or I don't know, the monthly all-time high. Just like example, K level. And we have to sweep liquidity. In this case, I showed you the uptrend. The same way we can use the downtrend. So here we got an uptrend. We form the BOS. So this is the last impulse, which gives us the new high, new next point swing. We sweep the high time frame point of interest, grab that liquidity. This point will be now SMR, smart money reversal. And here we got a drop, bounce, form the favorable gap here. Because of course it's 1 hour time frame, but for example on 30 minutes time frame we can be formed the favorable gap because of breaker. About the breaker, I highly recommend you go and check somewhere here the link to check that video. We drop, bounce, we can retest some of the level of favorable gap, drop it down, break the structure. So when we break the structure, also I highly recommend you go and check the video about a structure. At that bounce, we can stop at 0.5 level by the favorable gap, or 61, or even 78, for example, and we can open the short position because we get reasons, right? We sweep the previous high, we sweep the liquidity of high time frame point of interest. One reason. Second one, we break the structure. Two reasons. We test the favorable gap. Done. We close the 50% of the breaker. 4. And we can open position. It's a logical entry. Is it possible so this entry can be wrong? Yes, absolutely. Here, for example, by logic, we can open position here, stop loss at over than previous high time frame point of interest, right? Or over than SMR. But it's possible to see even like this move again because of some news. And guys, you have to understand on the visualization, everything all the time in theory looks perfect, but in real life, it can be something like this one. And grab your stop loss. Yes, it's more than real, absolutely. Especially on the low cap tokens, we can form something like this one. Even to break the structure, form the week and going down. Or before the news, or after the news, or some rumors, or some macro. Guys, in theory, you have to understand all YouTube channels explain you perfect entries. But on the practice, in real life, when you trade with the real money in present moment, it's a psychological pressure, it's emotion, it's a news, it's some tweets, a lot of factors can affect the price on any token with a week and grab your stop loss. So this is not 100% win rate strategy. So this is a visualization of the entry and the logic. Logic, I explained it. Where to fix a profit? Fix a profit, you can at break of structure. After that, when you fix some profit, you can put your stop loss at the break even and move down to the next zone of interest. For example, it can be the consolidation, it can be some accumulation zone here, it can be the favorable gap, something like this, or the block. Got it. So this is visualization. This is a real example On Sol, what we saw recently. So here, for example, we formed the high. May 14, we formed the high in Asia session at $182. Got it? We crash it down here, start climbing up. So this is an uptrend, like kind of visualization here. It's 1 hour time frame, by the way. Here we climb it up. Here was the last boss, for example, or this one, impulse. We sweep the high, form correction, form the SMR, right? Because we closed the candle over then high time frame point of interest. Here, this is going to be the SMR. Here we form the breaker, crash it down, break the structure. After that, we bounce, test 0.5 and 38 level by FIB. Here we can open logical short position. Short position can be at 0.5, which can be a kind of bigger stop loss, or at 38 with a smaller one like 2.77, or a stop loss you can add it's a little bit over than full fill of the breaker, 1.62. Depends if you're a stop loss, you can count the proper size of your position. And I notice this model usually form at the end of the session or inside the session, but when we sweep the high time frame point of interest of the previous K level. It can be the previous day high, previous week high, previous month high, all-time high, or something like this one. Vice versa for the previous day low, previous week low, previous month low. So guys, this is example. Highly recommend you take a screenshot of this model for entry. Maybe I will share this visualization on channel, Telegram, totally for free. And this is a real example of entries. Sol USDT example on 1 hour time frame. But guys, you have to work with that specific time frame where you find that model. Also, you have to keep in mind there is no 100% guarantee you will not get a stop loss, because on a theory everything can be so amazing, so perfect, like in a book, right? But at the end we can get a stop loss. So work with proper money management and the risk management at any of these trading models. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.